Okay, for the Cassette Tape Pop-Up Elements printable sheet, you are going to need some double-sided tape, a pair of scissors. Cuticle scissors work really well. I've got 2 pairs here. You're going to want something to make a sharp crease. This is a bone folder, but you could also use your fingernail or a plastic knife or a palette knife, whatever you like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out. So these are actually different heights. This is short because of the small distance here, and this is medium, and then this is the taller one. So I think I'm just going to start with one. I'm going to cut this out and show you how to install it, essentially. So I'm going to cut it out kind of loosely just to go first. Okay, so I changed my mind here. I'm going to go with the taller one. So I'm going to cut that out, just right along the lines here. And I'm going to crease my crease my folds. So there's 1, 2, it's quite a big one, and then 3. Okay, so now is the time to decorate the cassette tape if you want to. I'm going to say Jen's mixtape. Heart, heart. And I'm going to add my double-sided tape. So I'm going to put it right along this side here, right over the first tab, and right over tab 3. Okay, to install this in my book, you can use whatever book you want. I'm going to install this in my journal because, you know, I have this big journal that I've been working on. Oh, look, there's another one right there. I think I'm going to choose, maybe I'll put it right here. So the way to do this is you want this to be flat when your page is like completely open, right? The magic comes when your page is like this, like half open there. So the best way to do this is to take a pencil, and you're gonna so I got my 2 tape tabs here. I've got 1 tab there, 1 tab there, and then I've got the image, and then I've got like the height piece. So I'm gonna fold that right where the image and the height piece match, and I'm gonna flip it over, put that crease right in the middle, and that's gonna tell me where to put my tape tabs. So if you fold your tape tab back like this, you can just kind of put a line there. That's gonna be your guide, right? So there's 1, and then this one over here, there's the other one. So then when I put this in, I'm gonna turn it upside down, or turn it back right side up, and I'm gonna line up my tape tabs. Does that work? Yes, just like that. So I'm going to line up my tape tabs and tape it down just like that. Okay, so I'm going to take these off. Just using my awl to take the backing off the tape. And I'm going to do the other side as well. Take them backing off there. And then I'm just going to line up my edges right to that line on there. Tape it down. And I'm going to line up the other one right over here. and tape it down. So that way when my book is fully open, it's flat, and when I shut it, it shuts. So, well, this book is kind of too full to shut properly, but so there you go. We have a pop-up. You can also decorate this if you want to, you know, doodle on it, make it 90s style, because, you know, mixtapes are all 90s. So, yeah, happy journaling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.